are here to do an unboxing of my Cricut maker. This was a birthday gift from my fiance, so I've been wanting this for a very long time, so I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys, and we're gonna learn this thing together, you know what I'm saying? All right. Comes in a nice box. And I got the champagne colored one. All right. I don't want to break my nails. Alright, and then it has "Let's get started." We'll get to that in a second. I'm excited to get this out. Comes like shrink wrap here. Definitely protected. And here it is. And you just open the top and it opens up. Take this out. All right. So beautiful. All right, let's see what's in this box. This is like the materials for our first project, a welcome book, and the Cricut maker instructions, and the blade. Comes with a marker, the USB cord, and the blade cap. And in here, we have the battery pack and plug. And a couple mats. The pink one is for fabrics. And this one, the blue one, is for just about everything else, I guess. The blue one is very sticky, I know that. That's all that's in there. Alright, now I'm going to move this out of the way. And I have one more box that came with it. All right. cutter. The tools I'll need. A knife. And a whole bunch of vinyls. And transfer tapes. You got me the works. And gel pens. A stylus. Cardstock, a bunch of different cardstocks, foil paper, glitter paper, and a variety pack of mats. Wow, came with a lot of stuff. So I think I have more than enough to get a few projects out. I know a lot of people that have Cricut say how much money they spend, you know, just buying things that they need or they want for different projects. So I'm sure we'll be doing the same. But I wanted to do the unboxing with you so we can learn this together. And I'm excited to get it started. So thanks for joining me and stay tuned for number 2. Video number 2.